Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please do not fail to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up if this video helps you in any way. And I want to see you guys in the comment section. I love you guys so much. So today I'm going to be showing you how I was able to tie this ghillie. And then the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the ghillie. And then after that I made about 6 pleats on her head. You can actually make any amount of pleats, any number of pleats you want to do, depending on how big the ghillie is. When tying this ghillie, I made sure that one hand was longer than the other hand. As you can see in this video, I made sure that the longer hand of the ghillie went behind her ear, while the shorter one was put on top her ear. So I'm just going to bring the short hand of the ghillie to the front, which is on top her ear, and then I'm going to make some pleats with it. You really have to take your time in making your pleats so that your pleats can come out really nice. So I'm just going to take my time and do this properly. And I also made sure that one hand was longer than the other hand. I made sure that I took one hand behind her ear and brought the other hand on top of her ear, because I am doing a V-shaped ghillie today, guys. As you can see, the V shape is already out. So that's the essence of putting one hand behind her ear and one hand on top, which is the short hand, on top her ear. So I'm picking up the longer hand of the ghillie right now, and I'm just going to make pleats with it. This long hand has to go round her head, so I'm just going to pick it up and make pleats with it. If you're going to be tying this type of ghillie, you have to make sure that your ghillie is really big. If you want that curve in front to be really high, you have to make sure that your ghillie is really big. And with this, I'm talking in terms of length and not width. So I'm just going to make pleats on her head right now. You want to make sure that whatever you do on one side of her face, you do on the other side of her face. So I'm just going to trace the pleats that I made down towards the other side of her face and to the back. What you really want to do when tying this ghillie is to make sure that you form your pleats on one side of her face before going over to the other side of her face. So I'm just going to arrange my pleats properly on one side of her face first before going over to the other side to finish up the whole thing. So at this point right now, I'm just going to form my fan. I'm going to make my pleats now in a fan-like way. I'm just going to form it the way you can see me do in this video. At this point, I'm not making round pleats. I'm just making pleats till I reach the end of the ghillie. So guys, at this point I'm done making my pleats. I'm just going to twist the end of the ghillie, and then I'm going to take it to the back and pin it there. I'm not going to knot my ghillie right now because I don't have any other hand at the back to join it with. So I'm just going to twist the remaining part of the ghillie and knot it at the back there and pin it at the back. I'm just going to twist it and then pin it at the back. And while doing this, you have to make sure that you tell your model or your client to hold the ghillie firm so that it doesn't unravel. So at this point, guys, I'm just going to make sure that I keep touching my ghillie until it gives me what I want. I'm just going to keep picking up my pleats so that the ghillie looks really beautiful. I'm going to keep arranging my pleats. I'm just going to keep touching the fan so that it gives me that V in front. So I'm just going to keep touching the pleats. I'm going to make sure that it comes out really nice and beautiful. So I'll be working on the both sides of the ghillie to make sure that anything I do on one side looks the same way on the other side, if not the same way, almost the same on the other side of her head. You can actually make your ghillie to be smaller than this. You can make your ghillie to be just portable. You can just make it very small. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your ghillie smaller than this, how to tie the ghillie on yourself. Just something very portable. If you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie ghillie, guys, please do that because it's really going to help you to know how to. And if you've not turned on your notification button, please also do that so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. So I'm still arranging my pleats so that it comes out really beautiful and so that it gives me what I want. So I'm just going to keep touching and touching until it comes out really nice. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, do not be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share, and I want to see you guys in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.